everyone, I'm Monica and welcome back to my channel. So today finally I'm gonna be making over my desk. As you all know, I'm a corporate employee, so I have 2 days work from home, and while I'm editing and anything, like while I'm journaling as well, so I sit here and do, but this does not seem pretty at all. So I hardly sit here for 30 minutes and I end up going to my balcony or just lay down on my bed and just work there. So I thought, instead of shifting my places, let's make this desk pretty and aesthetic, so I don't feel like getting away from this one, because I don't want to be laying down and editing my videos. Okay, so I just have a mirror, a very basic circle one. You can get this from any local store, and that's my laptop. I was actually uploading a short, so you'd be able to see that on my vlog. And I just have this moon piece, which is like a lamp, and few books and my journal, and oh god, and my tumbler. So I've ordered few bunch of stuff from Meesho, picked few stuffs from DIY, and I already had few things at home that could be used and kept here. So I thought, and also instead of just making over the desk, I thought I'll give this wall a makeover so I can get those pretty mirror selfies as well. So let's get going. Sabse pehle to I'm gonna be cleaning this because this has some dirt on it, so I'll be cleaning this, and we'll stick a paper here so that everything is white, and then we'll start with the process. So I'm done cleaning my desk, and also I took off the mirror because I want to stick these. Bellu. No. Okay, get down. आजा आजा आजा, उधर मत जा. बेलू से हाय. मैं हूँ नहीं, हाय बोल. आजा. So sorry for that, and like I was just mentioning, I'm arranging these here so I could see all the colors and all the coats on it, and place it accordingly. Also, I have this sequence here. This came in with the parcel, so there's a sequence how we want to stick it, but I don't know if I want to follow this. And there was a packet that included double-sided sellotape as well, so I guess this shouldn't be much time taking, but yeah, let's get with it. So this is the progress that we have made so far, and I truly love it already. But this is just missing that life. I guess these fake leaves would add it. We have two nails here. For some reason, I don't know. So I guess. So that's what I was planning to. I'll just attach. I don't know. I'm gonna place it somehow with Shrey's help, and I guess it would look more pretty even then, because flowers and leaves, I think I can add life to anything. So yeah, that's that, and otherwise my wall is pretty done. I'm just left with a table. So yeah, I truly love it. I love it already. I can't wait to get dressed up and take pretty selfies here. But that's the plan for now. I'll just have this, and also I want to take some water break and munch onto something because I'm very hungry. This looked like a 10-second task, but clearly it was not. We had to arrange everything and add the glues to each of the poster. So alright, I'll just take a quick break. And Shrey is making some coffee. Oh my god, that's my favorite, and some popcorns here. So we'll munch on these, and then we'll start with the desk actually. So ignore the way I look. I have already tied up my hair in a bun because, oh my god, this task is not as easy as it looks like. So right now I took a coffee break and munched on to some popcorns. So that was nice, and I'm yet to have some dinner. So once we are done with this, so right now I have two white sheets because the table surface is black, and it won't go well with the aesthetics because white would pop up all the colors. So these sheets are from DIY and a double-sided sellotape as well. So what I'm going to do is just stick this white sheet, and I hope it fits my table. But anyway, we have to work around with this one. And then I don't think so. It would just take a 15 to 20 minutes time. Okay, so we are done applying the paper. It does not look that great, but I'm okay with it. I mean, I had a budget where I want to make this over, but it's fine. I mean, we'll have to work around with it because I'm gonna put really pretty items there, so it's gonna look great. And let's ignore this because we had to use both the papers because the width got pretty. I mean, width was the issue, so I guess it's fine. We'll have to work around with this. I don't love it as such, but it's fine. I mean, I don't hate it as well. So let's get on to the best part because I have really aesthetic pieces that I'm gonna be keeping it here. So finally, we are done with my desk makeover, and I feel it's turned out to be so pretty and so aesthetic, and of course, so girly. So I'll show you a few items that I picked from Meesho and Mr. D. And of course, I'm gonna be linking all the items in the description box. So please do check it out if you want to pick any of it. So starting with this moon lamp, this is a color changing lamp that a friend of mine gifted me. So I thought it would look cute here, and it has always been on my desk since then. So that's that. And here's a little candle because I love vanilla vibes. So this is just for those lazy days or those self-care days. So this is a perfect fragrance. And these are cute. These are the frames that I picked from Meesho, and I got these printed. So the first one says membership pass self love club, and second one says 2025 is when my dreams come true. So that's what my manifestation is. So this has to be always on my desk. This item right here is a knitted sunflower. So because I love sunflowers, and I don't know, it's just about them that instantly brightens up my mood. So this has to be there on my desk always. This is a flower vase. It's a very cute and pastel one. The flowers, these are fake flowers, and I picked both of these from Meesho. Link would of course be there in description. And yeah, this cute lady. This was actually supposed to be maybe tiny plants, I guess. So that's what the photo said. But I'm using it for my stationery. So I just have a cutter, a pencil, few pens, and my scissor in here. She's so pretty, and these are few of the stickers that I picked from Mr. DIY. This one is for my to-do list that has to be there every morning, and these two are any random reminder things, and this one I'm gonna use mostly for my journaling to highlight the notes here. So that's that. These are very cute ones. That's my laptop, and that's my glass case. This is a very cute one, again picked from DIY. This one includes all the stickers. I mean, I can use it for journaling, for maybe the scripting, or sometimes, of course, on my laptop, on my phone cover. So this comes in handy if I keep it here. And this is a book. So this is a book that a friend got for me when she visited Dubai. So she knows I have a cat and she knows I love these pastel colors. So this is a very plain book that she got, and I use it for scripting. For I just always have this handy, so anytime if I feel I can have this content or I can create this thing, so I just write down the ideas here. That's the book that I'm reading. And this is how it turns out to be. That's my tumbler, because I have kept it here because it's not going well with the aesthetic. This is all white and pink, and this one is blue in color, so that's a sign that I need a new one. And I have a huge window here, and that's the reason that this place is always gonna be full of lights and airy, so I don't have to worry about the lights here and there. And the curtain, I mean, I don't love it that much, but we have to work this out because I might end up buying later, but not right now. And when it comes to budgeting, I had a budget of 3K, but I'm so proud of myself and I could save 500 out of that as well. So the entire things, everything that you see here, I guess I got it around 2.5 or 2.4K actually. So I just have to get one chair to match with this color. So I might get a white chair, the basic one. So that's that. I have not got it yet. So if you have any suggestions, please feel free to add the comments and share the links there. And if I end up buying before posting this video, so I'll actually link or maybe actually I buy it from a local store, so I'll add a picture of that as well. But yeah, I'm so happy with how my desk has turned out. And that's it about this video. Do let me know which was your favorite part. I mean, there are so many things that are all girly, all Pinteresty. So I love the vibe. Do let me know if this is what you're looking for, or if this helped you at all. So yeah, that's it. I mean, if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, and I'll come very soon with the next makeover series. So I might make over my bathroom and balcony as well, and at some point we might make over my room. So stay tuned for that. And I mean, that's it, I guess. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Please keep on watching and supporting me, because this is a new channel that I've started and I'd love for you to be here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.